You hear that? That's the sound of perfection. You took control over your lawn by showing it who's boss. Time to battle backyard challenges like a pro with the Gravely ZTX. Mow like you mean business. The ZTX combines zero-turn efficiency with over 100 years of Gravely experience. Easy to handle and comfortable to ride. You'll mow with pro-level precision and control. Enjoy the plush high-back seat with armrest that provides incredible comfort all cut long with your Gravely ZTX.
Bob's Power Equipment, 4532 Valleydale Road, Hoover, Alabama.